Welcome, because today we're talking all about limited beliefs, where we give our power away to. We're here to reclaim our energy, our time, and what soars in our heart. We're here to really establish those hidden scenarios, unveil where we're giving our energy away to, those hidden scenarios that have this belief that the circumstances have power over us. We're going to get real on journaling questions each day and action steps to really help us to reclaim our life, reclaim our energy, our power, our time, and what we want in our heart. And that's literally our life's agenda. Each day we're going to break it down. We're going to talk about habits today. We're going into day 2. We're going to be talking about how to really create conscious awareness about our inner being. If we're disconnecting from our inner being, then we're in the busyness syndrome. So on Tuesday, we're going to delve in. We're going to take a look at what's keeping us from being conscious and how to consciously nudge yourself so that we could create a new pattern, new habits. And then on day 3, it's talking about clarity. What do we want in our heart? Why is it that we have this unclear ability to really know who we are, our values and our visions, because we limit ourselves based on who we think we are? And on the next day, we're going to delve in and we're going to learn how to focus, how to stay true to ourselves when we get clear on what those action steps are, so that we could begin to build up that momentum, have that clarity, and have that focus so that we can begin to take those steps that we need to cut things out, figure out what we're attached to, figure out why it is that we are not claiming our energy and claiming the life that we want. And we're going to be very super, committed to this week. Show up, be accountable, do the work. And I am so excited, and reach out to me. I am here as your mentor and as a support. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. And don't forget, on Thursday, we're having a live webinar. You don't want to miss it. It's putting it all together. And we're going to recap on Friday with a life agenda, how to get started to plan your year ahead for 2022. We'll see you soon.